Uh, this bird repellent gel, Nanotech Korea developed. 100% natural, non-chemical based, non-toxical bird control gel. We use the vegetable-based, not harmful ingredient. Just apply this pest control gel in a place where the bird can access, successfully chase away the bird. As you see this video, the pigeons are on the top of the ladder. After we apply our pest control gel on the top of the ladder, pigeons cannot step in on the top of the ladder. After feeling and experience the negative material, bird has a learning effect, so they cannot approach the same place we apply the pest control gel.
Good.
This is a wild bat in the cage. The bat step on the top of the cage. After apply the pest control gel on the top of the cage, bat cannot step in on the top and feeling the irritation. Our pest control gel perfectly chase away the bird without any harm, no including any harmful materials.